Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphone gimbals. Perfect for capturing smooth, cinematic videos with your phone. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or just want to enhance your video quality, these gimbals are game changer. We'll explore the top models, their features, what makes each one stand out. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to elevate your filming game, let's get started. Number 5. Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer. The Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer is a powerful and versatile tool designed for creators looking to enhance their smartphone videography. This review will delve into its key features, performance, and overall value. The standout feature of the Insta360 Flow is its next-gen AI-powered tracking system, Deep Track 3.0. This technology offers precise subject tracking, ensuring that your subject remains in focus and within the frame, regardless of movement. It supports person re-identification, zoom tracking, and slow-motion tracking, making it an ideal choice for dynamic shooting scenarios. 3-axis stabilization. The gimbal's 3-axis stabilization is designed to eliminate shakes and jitters, providing smooth footage in a variety of shooting conditions. Whether you're shooting in low light or during fast movements, the stabilizer ensures your footage remains professional looking. Built-in selfie stick, tripod, and power bank. The Insta360 Flow is more than just a gimbal. It's an all-in-one creation tool. It includes a built-in selfie stick for capturing wide-angle shots, a tripod for stable stationary filming, and a power bank to keep your phone charged during long shooting sessions. Compatibility and design. The Insta360 Flow is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones. However, users should note that some features may not be available on all Android devices due to variations in open interface protocols. Number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is a top-tier gimbal stabilizer for smartphones, designed to cater to both amateur and professional videographers. This review will explore its features, performance, and value for money, providing you with all the information you need to decide if this is the right stabilizer for your needs. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 comes equipped with the upgraded ActiveTrack 6.0 technology, allowing for precise and reliable object tracking. Whether you're filming energetic kids, playful pets, or even yourself, this feature ensures that your subject remains in the frame, making it an essential tool for solo content. 3-axis stabilization. The gimbal's 3-axis stabilization ensures that your videos are smooth and free from unwanted shakes. This feature is particularly useful for on-the-go filming, allowing you to capture steady footage even while moving. Remote control with Apple Watch. Number 3. Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. The Hohem iSteady M6 Kit is a powerful 3-axis smartphone gimbal stabilizer designed for both novice and professional content creators. This review explores the gimbal's features, performance, and overall value, making it easier for you to decide if this is the right tool for your videography needs. One of the standout features of the Hohem iSteady M6 Kit is its innovative AI tracking system. Unlike other gimbals that require Bluetooth connections or app limitations, M6's AI tracker functions independently, smoothly tracking faces and bodies without any connectivity hassles. The gimbal also comes equipped with an adjustable CCT RGB fill light that supports cool and warm tones, as well as 360-degree RGB ambient colors, making it perfect for shooting in low-light conditions. 7th Gen iSteady Stabilization Algorithm. The Hohem iSteady M6 is powered by the latest iSteady 7.0 anti-shake technology, providing exceptional stabilization across all 3 axes. DJI Osmo Mobile SE Intelligent Gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE is a compact and affordable 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed to enhance your smartphone videography. This review covers its main features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right gimbal for your needs. The Osmo Mobile SE is designed with portability in mind. Its foldable structure and compact size make it easy to carry on any adventure. The magnetic clamp allows for quick and secure mounting and dismounting of your smartphone, ensuring you never miss a moment. ActiveTrack 6.0. Featuring the latest ActiveTrack 6.0 technology, the Osmo Mobile SE offers improved tracking capabilities. Whether you're filming energetic kids, pets, or even yourself, the gimbal keeps your subject in focus, providing smooth and stable footage without needing external help. Remote control with Apple Watch. A standout feature of the Osmo Mobile SE is its integration with the DJI Mimo app, which can be installed on an Apple Watch. Number 1. Zhiyun Smooth 5 Combo Phone Gimbal. The Zhiyun Smooth 5 Combo is a versatile 3-axis gimbal stabilizer designed for smartphones, aimed at enhancing video quality with advanced features and user-friendly controls. Here's a detailed review of its key features, performance, and overall value. The Zhiyun Smooth 5 Combo features a 3-axis stabilization system that helps achieve smooth, shake-free footage. Its advanced motor algorithm and optimized motor structure support a wider filming angle and range. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.